Hey kids, let me ask you a question. What do you think about butterflies? Well, if you're like me, you probably think that they're these beautiful flying creatures that mesmerize us in the garden, right? Well, what if I told you that butterflies are actually pretty gross? Yeah, you heard me. Gross. You don't believe me? Well, the butterfly in this book is going to give you a warning that you should only read it if you want to hear disgusting facts about butterflies. I'm going to share the yuckiest one with you from this book. Are you ready? Some butterflies eat poop. Yuck! Well, if you want to learn more bizarre and yucky facts about butterflies, then check this book out. Butterflies Are Pretty Gross by Rosemary Moscow and illustrated by Jacob Suva. I challenge you to read this book and then learn all the interesting facts about butterflies. And then you can decide for yourself if you think butterflies are pretty, gross, or both.